Our multi-energy car science kit is the perfect all-in-one tool for exploring sustainable transport solutions and turning your renewable energy lessons from static to energized. The multi-energy car science kit makes hands-on renewable energy lessons fun and engaging by allowing your students to build their very own model car powered by not just one, but 2, 3, 4, 5 different renewable energy solutions. The kit includes a reversible PEM fuel cell, a saltwater fuel cell, a supercapacitor and hand crank, a solar panel, and a battery. Using the same chassis, your students can use these 5 components to build 5 different models of a renewable energy vehicle and examine the strengths and weaknesses of each solution. Throw in our free activities and teachers guides, and your lessons are guaranteed to go from energized to supercharged.